Quality control. It is critical that all laboratory tests are carried out with accuracy. Always follow the manufacturer recommendations for using the laboratory equipment. Excellence in testing can be achieved by putting quality control (QC) procedures into place. Quality control tests make sure that equipment is working properly and that patient test results are reliable. One way to test if a system is producing accurate results is by using controls. Controls, also known as quality control material, are materials with known values. You can test control material and compare the known results against your own results. If the results do not match, proper steps must be taken to fix the problem. Good laboratory practices require testing controls daily. Testing controls should occur more often if there have been changes that might affect test stability. Quality control for equipment. Calibration is the act of making sure that laboratory instruments are producing accurate results. Laboratory equipment must be checked to make sure it is calibrated correctly. This check determines if the machine is set and working properly. Various types of equipment are calibrated on different schedules. It is important to be aware of the manufacturer's guidelines for the frequency of calibration checks. If calibration standards are not achieved, the machine must be adjusted before using it. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to make the changes that are needed. As part of quality control, laboratories must maintain logs for equipment inspection. They must also follow agency guidelines for reporting and troubleshooting equipment issues. Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments. The Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, CLIA, were designed to regulate laboratory testing, except research. It requires clinical laboratories to be certified by their state, as well as the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, before they can perform diagnostic testing on human specimens. These specimens include blood, body fluid, and tissue for the purpose of diagnosis, prevention, treatment of disease, or assessment of health. Additionally, CLIA standards also protect lab workers from infectious, chemical, electrical, and fire hazards. Good safety practices in labs greatly reduce the risk of hazards.